Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review latest tech products. Today I have got something exciting to talk about, the Huawei GT4 watch for the year 2023. This sleek and feature packed smartwatch is going to be a game changer, so stick around to find out all the details. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description. You can buy this watch at a discounted price, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First up, let's talk about the gorgeous display. The Huawei GT4 watch boasts a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with 1:1 aspect ratio, offering a crisp 466 by 466 pixel resolution at an impressive 326 ppi. And yes, it's glossy, perfect for the premium look and feel. With smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, your interaction with this watch will be silky smooth. Now let's dive into the connectivity and sensors. The GT4 watch comes equipped with NFC, making contactless payment a breeze. It also features a brightness sensor, ensuring that your display adjusts to your surroundings seamlessly. And when it comes to health tracking, it got you covered with sensors like TrueScene 5.5, accelerometer, gyroscope, optical heart rate, and temperature sensors. This watch supports Bluetooth 5.2 for snappy connection to your smartphone, and with GPS on board, you can track your runs and activities with precision. As for its physical dimensions, it impressively compact, measuring just 10.9 mm in height and 46 mm in width and depth. This slight design ensuring it won't feel bulky on your wrist. Now the battery packs a 5 to 4 mAh lithium polymer battery, which is quite generous for a smartwatch for this size. And the best part, it supports wireless charging, making it ultra convenient. On the software side, it runs on Huawei very own Harmony OS, ensuring smooth performance and seamless experience. And you will get the latest Harmony OS 4.0 right out of the box. This watch comes with mono speaker, allowing you to take calls and listen to your favorite tunes without needing additional accessories. It even includes extra bracelet links, so you can adjust the size to your liking. When it comes to navigation, the Huawei GT4 boasts dual band GNSS support, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Pedo, and QZSS. Whether you are in the city or the great outdoors, you will have precise location tracking, and don't worry about getting it wet. It's rated 5 ATM for water resistant and IP68 for dust protection, so it can handle your active lifestyle. And lastly, let's talk about the weight. It's super lightweight at just 48 grams, making it comfortable to wear all the day. And for those curious about the power supply, it is practically weightless. As for the price, you can expect to grab this feature-packed smartphone for just around $260, making it a competitive option in the market. So that's it guys for the GT4 watch for 2023. With its stunning AMOLED display, impressive sensors, wireless charging, and Harmony OS, it's a solid contender in the smartwatch game. If you are in the market for a new smartwatch, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining me. See you. Bye bye.